Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on today to do a layout for the scrap room using one of the DoubleShot kits. Now these kits are this really great sampling of goodies. And when you get the DoubleShot kit, you get two partial collections, 2 pieces, some cardstock, and some embellishments. So what I have this time is I have 2 pieces of black basil. I've got a piece of white. Let me see if it says what kind. I have a little sheet here that gives me intel. That's American Crafts, white cardstock, 2 pieces of basil blackbird. I've got this big old sticker sheet with all kinds of cuteness, so cute. And let's see, I have got, wood grain. Guys, I forgot there was wood grain. Sorry. Love You Forever Floral. Oh, this whole collection is called Hello Valentine. Special Delivery. Cute, guys. And True Love. Such great contrast with these papers. Awesome. Okay, so that's what I have to work with. Let me show you the photos. This is my daughter and her boyfriend, and they went to Vegas, and this was before they went on a night out on the town. And I thought it was really cute for this black and red and lovey kind of dealio. Now, this picture was taken in January. It is not for Valentine, so I'm going to veer off of the Hello Valentine idea, but keep in all the lovey stuff. Okay, the other thing I'm going to do, and let me try to show you guys. Let me get it nice and small. Okay, this right here is the sketch I'm going to use. So we've got some kind of a background. Oh, I'd say, I don't know, a good 2/3 of the paper is one pattern, a strip down the middle, strip going all the way across, another piece, a big circle, tags, and embellishments. Oh, and a title down here. That's pretty darn cool, guys. So what I need to do is decide how I want my background. So I'm looking at this stuff and I'm loving my pattern papers, and I need lots of patterns for this layout. So let me go ahead and cut this basil blackbird cardstock. I will do a little trimmeroo. Got it. So I have a background. Then next, I always love wood grain. So I like wood grain with this kind of orientation. So let's go ahead and trim that. This one is called, let's see, what's this one called? Love You Forever Floral, because it's pretty floral on the other side. Let me see how big. This is the one that's going to go from here to here-ish. So like that. All right. So now we have wood grain. Great, great. Now I need a strip of a bright, actually do I want the red to be the big circle bit? Oh, or the pink, they would be really pretty against the pink too. Or do we want them against the red? Kind of like them against the red for that. So maybe I can do a strip of the pink. Let's do that. Let me trim this one. And the strip, like, let me go between these. So we have the strip of the pink. Now I need kind of a nice size circle. So I'm going to do, but it stays, I believe, inside the wood grain. So I'm going to do a circle in the red. Okay. I need to grab a plate to trace it. I'll be right back. Guys, I don't need a plate. I think this will do a big enough circle, and I have the world's first circle cutter. It was from Creative Memories. Let me make sure which way it goes, the blade. So we'll just see how it goes. Now I've never replaced the blade, and I got this thing in like 96. Oh, gonna have to hide that, I guess. And I'm sure there's a way you're supposed to do this to, you know, look like a demonstrator or something. but I won't be doing that, obviously. So I have a little spot right here that went outside of it. So when I put the photo on, we'll just, you know, hide that little bit with the photo. Not a big deal. So we've got our round circly bit. Let me put my glass away. Let me put my cutter away. Great. Kind of seems like I should be able to smooth that a little bit. Okay, so we have the circle bit. We're gonna have the photo. I don't have a photo going on each side, so I'll need a little something right there. And then we have a block that runs all the way across as well, a pattern. So I'm thinking, let's see, what's in this? We already used that. So the white is very nice to run all across as wood grain, but I already have wood. I think I'm gonna use some of this black and white. So let me go ahead and do a nice little trimmeroo. This block goes all the way across on top of the circle. Got it. Then, oh, but wait. Then there's a piece that goes right here. So that's what I will do for the back side piece. And then this one goes to about right here. Guys, I'm using all of these patterns real quick. But I love that for sketches. All right, so then this one goes underneath like so. And the hearts are going in different directions, so that's totally fine. Does that take care of all of the little wonky pieces? This will go, I think I can mat my photo, can mat it on this one. Trying to see what I can, yeah, I can mat my photo with a few of these pieces so I can get some matting going. And then I'll be right back. All right, so I have all the pieces down, and I did end up scuffing up my edges just so that I could have a little bit more differentiation between the patterns. It's like you can do inking, you can do sewing, you can do scuffing, all these different little things that help out. I'm trying to make sure I'm in frame. When you're doing your little, I don't know, I guess placement. Now, in our sketch, we have another photo right here, embellishment, embellishment, title. So I think I want to look at title. I like XOXO. I mean, it's always a good one. And remember, I'm not doing Valentine, so I'm kind of trying to work around it. Ooh, I love this big flower. I totally get excited. I love this big flower, and it needs to be up on a little bit of kids' craft foam. So let's go ahead and do that really quickly. Just because I know I want to use it. It's really pretty. It's pretty and it's noticeable and all that kind of stuff. So that's going to be somewhere. And I also really want to bring in these cute banners. I love them. I love how Echo Park gives us all of these banner bits. So there are not banners on our sketch. It's fine. So I'm thinking kind of something like that. But once again, I want to put them up on some foam. All right, I'm going to keep building my layout. I'm going to see how many stickers and goodies I can get on. Now, I do like the idea of some of these pieces being more patterns as well. Okay, I'm going to keep playing. I'll be back in a minute. All right, so I came up with my title. It's just XOXO forever and ever. Now, the banner bits that are right here, they're not a full 12 by 12. So I have one right there and right there. So I cut a little notch and I knew I would just go ahead and cover it with a flower. So only you and I know. All right, so I have that and I really love that floral piece. Let me see if there's any other separate flowers. I don't see that. There is a lot of really good title bits, and I was looking at it like you can make the cutest little Valentine cards with this, with this, with this. I was just like, oh, I might have fun with this, you know, once I'm done playing with it with my little scraps. Anyway, oh, look at the love is in the air. That's cute too. So cute. Okay. Now, once again, keeping in mind, I'm not really doing the, I'm gonna make a cute little cluster here. I'm not trying to do the Valentine part of it. I'm going around all of that, and that's fine. I like this little bit, this little postage. Doesn't mean anything, I just like it. And I'm going to finish it off with all of these cute hearts when the time comes. Well, here's another little postage piece because I want to do a little something over here. Let's see. Maybe right there. I'm going to see what else I have to build because that's always fun to do. I like the love letters. That's cute. Maybe I can build a little something up there too. Who knows? If I have to move it, I'll move it. Ooh, there's a cute little bit here with a vase. So this is just one of those things that I like to do. What I can do, come to think of it, I'm looking on my desk and I've got my ticket punches. So maybe I'll get a couple of these cute patterns in. Oopsie, oopsie. This one I can do a ticket punch, do a quick distress on it. Guys, this is the world's oldest distressor. I got it at CHA in like, let's see, 2006. It is not new, but it's gonna give me a cute little bit of pattern to anchor those pieces. Okay, cute. And I can do the same thing maybe up here with a bit of the white. So I can bring all of those patterns here, there, and everywhere. Let me do that. Oopsie. Oopsie. I want to make sure that it's a little straight because we've got these wood lines, the painted wood lines going through. So yeah, I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to keep adding these little bits and pieces. I only have a few more that I can probably shimmy in here. Ooh, I should do one more of those tickets over in this cluster, you know, to keep doing the whole like, oh, that's cute, 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 cute. To do, oh, you know, I don't know if I need the word or the love letters in there. So I'm gonna, no, that needs to be lower. Let me tuck, tuck, tuck. There we go, cute. I think I'm gonna see if I have one. Maybe I'll try to get some of the wood grain in. Wood grain on top of wood grain with painted wood grain. I love it. All right, I'm gonna keep playing and I will come back when we're just putting a couple little heart stickers on. So I think we're just gonna sprinkle on some little hearts here, there, and everywhere, and then maybe a little bit of white paint as splatty bits. So I'm gonna just get these cute little guys on. I did end up making my title even bigger, so I've got kind of a cluster here, here, and here. I just kept adding and playing with stuff. I couldn't help myself. There's a cute little heart here. They're so cute. Oh, I like this black one. I'm gonna pop that one up a little bit. Just on a piece of foam as well. So yeah, this is all I have going on. I have all these little bits. I thought it was so fun to play along with a sketch. I always do though. I love challenges because it'll take you from maybe something that looks like same old, you know, because we all tend to have like our style that we scrap, and gives you a little different direction. Okay, so I'm gonna keep putting on my little stickers that I love. They are cute. And what am I gonna use for, oh, just some white for some splatty bits, and I will have still shots for you in a jiffy. I'm gonna have links down below as well for the website and the blog and the Facebook group so you can play along with us. Okay, that's it for now, friends. Stay tuned for still shots in one moment.